Hello friends, today discussing about Nexuem Capsule, esomeprazole, companies Gates Pharma. Nexuem esomeprazole capsule 20 mg and 40 mg description. Nexuem capsule contains enteric-coated pellet of isn esomeprazole. Magnesium esomeprazole is S isomer of omeprazole, which is a mixture of the S and R isomers, which inhibits gastric and secretion more effectively than omeprazole. Chemically, it is a bis 5 methoxy 2S more effectively than omeprazole 4-methoxy 3,5-dimethyl 2-prendyl methyl sulfonyl benzimazole magnesium trihydrate. The molecular formula is CHNOSMG 3HO, and the structural formula is this is formula esomeprazole magnesium trihydrate qualitative and quantitative composition. Nexuem esomeprazole is available for oral administration as 1. Nexuem capsule 20 mg. Each capsule contains anti-coated pellets of esomeprazole magnesium trihydrate equivalent to esomeprazole 20 mg. Nexuem capsule 40 mg. Each capsule contains anti-coated pellets of esomeprazole magnesium trihydrate equivalent to esomeprazole 40 mg. Clinical pharmacology mechanism of action. Esomeprazole is a proton pump inhibitor that suppresses gastric acid secretion by specific inhibition of the H plus K plus ATPase in the gastric parietal cell. The S and R isomers of omeprazole are protonated and converted in the acidic compartment of the parietal cell, forming the active inhibitor, the acyl sulfamide, by acting especially on the proton pump. Esomeprazole blocks the final step in acid production, thus reducing gastric acidity. Pharmacokinetics absorption after oral administration. Peak plasma levels occur at approximately 1.5 hours. The Cmax increases proportionally when the dose is increased, and there is threefold increase in the area under the plasma. Concentration time curve. Absorption after oral administration. Plasma level occur approximately 1.5 hours increase, and this is threefold increase in the area under effect. Food after After administration, description: esomeprazole is 97% bound to plasma proteins. Plasma protein binding is a constant over concentration range of 220 mol. The apparent volume of distribution and steady state and healthy volunteers is approximately. Metabolism: esomeprazole is extensively metabolized in the liver by the cytochrome anti-secretory activity. The major part of esomeprazole's metabolism is dependent. This is Nexuem